So here on the entrance, I'm gonna make sure you go this way. This is where they have the lobby. So on this side is where you sign up for the luau. This is where they have the front desk. And desk goes that way. Walk this way. Have a little waiting area. You want to go ahead and sit down. And if you walk this way, they have ATMs. So I have a Chase ATM. And they also have phones. I have a Chase ATM. You walk this way. Here they have, if you want to send out mail or postcards, just put it in there. You walk this way. That's where they have like a little Moana. That's a cute, nice boat at the Disney cruise. Now you keep walking. They have these glass mirrors so you can see outside. Over here to your right, some more glass doors and elevators. Into a top floor. Our room is in the fifth floor. So the elevator looks like.
Fifth floor. Going down.
You might go left. Here again, they have these glass doors where you can see outside. More glass doors. And you walk this way. This elevator before which is 947, and also it's very important to know your exit. So here is the exit stairs. And make sure you know where to run if something happens in case of emergency. And this is our room. 47. You take your card. And this is what the entrance looks like. The bathrooms to our left. Closet. I did get a lot of questions on my Mickey luggage. I bought this one at Kohl's back on Black Friday. I'm not sure if I still have it, but this is our little room here. How cute is this? TV, refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker. The buckets so you can get ice, little cups. How cute these cups are. Little Aulani. You also have coffee cups and a little coffee station. So here to the left, bathroom, and a little shelf with the Aulani. conditioner, shampoo. Look how cute these are. Over here, there's a toilet. So mirror right here. You have your little closet in here. You got a safe. Plancha, iron board. Then over here, have the coffee maker, microwave, cups, ice bucket, little TV. You got your fridge in here. Go. You got your 2 beds. These are queen beds. You got your little table. There you have Mickey lamp. This is cute. A mirror. And over here, you got a nice little porch. So this one is facing the street by the parking garage. And this is your view from the little balcony you have. You got a table, 2 chairs, and this view is just the view over there is for the parking. The view over here is for that you walk to the shops over there. But it's nice little tour of our room. And then you come back inside and there's your 2 twin beds.